Hey guys, Tony here. So I did want to update you guys on my Forex account. Currently, right now, I'm like I said, I did test the EA that I was building, or that my friend was building for a while, and I wasn't actually gonna start talking about it or releasing it until I knew that it was actually working. So I already know that it's working. I mean, it's actually been doing pretty solid for the last 6 months. But on top of that, I'm actually going to present, or not present, but just kind of showcase the EA that I've been testing for the last six months, basically. As you guys can see, just to kind of let you guys know, this EA is not. Let's go back to what, 2000, like 2000, right? Let's do that. So it's a completely brand new account. This is a live account, completely live account. You guys can see there. I'm doing this from scratch to show you guys that this EA actually works. So I will be uploading these videos every single day, basically. I'll try to upload it every single day. This is the account. It already made $3 basically by itself. As you guys can see, the balance that I actually put in here is $978. I was going to put a stimulus check in here, basically like $1,400. But this is all I had in my Bitcoin on Coinbase, and I just transferred it over to my broker. So I'm just starting off with 978. Keep in mind that I am over leveraged. I'm not supposed to be trading this EA with 978 bucks. It should minimum be at least $2,000. So I'm gonna try to maybe put another grand within the next month or so into my Forex account, into this one specifically, just so I can showcase the EA. And basically just what it's doing for the next month or so by itself, because I'm not trading any of this. I'm not trading none of this. This is all an EA that's doing all of this for me, right? And just today, actually just started this maybe like an hour ago, and it's already made $3.02. So again, this is just a quick update on the Forex EA. I will be doing these Forex EA updates daily, just so you guys can, just to be transparent, right? Just so you guys can see how this works, if it makes gains every day, if it takes losses, whatever, so we can both see how this EA does for the next month or so and ongoing, and then I can actually start releasing it, because I know a lot of people were going crazy about, release the EA. I'm not going to release something that I know doesn't work, right? Or not yet, but I mean, I tested it for the last 6 months, and then I'm also doing this live test for all of my subscribers and followers on TikTok, just to see if it's actually working correctly for the next month on a live basis, basically being recorded for YouTube and TikTok. So have a great night, everybody. This is going to be a new series that I'm going to try and upload every single day for you guys, just so you guys can keep up with the account, and we'll kind of go from there. Bye.